Well, I give my two old saws a fresh new coat of paint on them too. Finally got the right paint for them. Got a good paint job on them. Clean everything up. Put new fresh coat of paint on these two. Put everything back together. And except for that one's not ready to come back to life yet. Which I will get that one running soon. So I painted the bottom of it, as you can see. Just a little bit of nasty stuff stuck onto it, but it'll be okay. And done the clutch cover. Got the clutch cover repainted. Got the front repainted. Got the rear. And did the same thing to the XL12. Same here. Same on the back and the rear and the side of the clutch. Recoil. Did the same thing on the recoil. Put its stuff back together. Got the original guard back onto this baby. And put the guard back onto this one. Just like it was before. No leaky gas into this one. This one's okay. And I did place an order on a new ignition coil. So it will be here in about a couple days away until May 22nd this month. And I'll take this one back apart and put a new coil on it. And I'll have a video of this thing idling and giving it a little bit of couple of revs on the saw. Then I'll do the same thing with this one on the next video soon. A little bit sooner on this one. Gonna get the same coil for it and a clone carburetor, because this carburetor is not even no good. It's leaking everywhere. And I'll have a video of this one running soon. And after that, in the final video, we'll take them two up in my hill and try both of them out one at a time. See if they cook good. But other than that, they look almost just like back in the year of 1979 and 1985 when they're new back in the day. For now, I'll get some decals. Homelite Super XL decals for this one. Put it on the clutch, put it on the recoil, and put the year plate of it, 1985, on there. And do the same thing with this one with an XL12 decal stickers. Put the XL12, Homelite XL12 on the recoil and on the clutch cover. And then the same thing with that one. Super XL SXL on the clutch cover. Well, there they are. Two restored Homelite chainsaws. 1985 to 1994. They look nice, brand new, isn't it? Almost just like in the good old days. Well, there they are. Two nice looking brand new Homelites XL chainsaws again. They're both brand new. Look like brand new again. And I'm going to keep those around for a long time. And use them every year. And the modern ones too. Well, like I said, your favorite chainsaws are finally restored. They're my favorite saws, and I'm going to keep them around for a long time. And I'm not going to give them away, not put them up for sale, but these are staying with me into my chainsaw collection. Well, there it is. Hopefully you guys like them both saws restored. I'll have a video of this one soon when it's running again with a new ignition coil on it. And I'll put this baby through its paces and see what he does. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.